What is going on, guys? Long time no see. Just gonna make a real quick video for you guys. Just kind of like a little update. It's not an update video. There'll be some cool stuff in this video, but I do have most of the parts for the RX-7 if you guys are wondering about that. I'm actually just finishing up all the manifolds that I have on order this weekend. So next week I will be working on the rear end for the RX-7 and the 4-link setup on it. So hopefully be getting that done here real quick and take the whole week off or however long it takes me to get the 4-link setup all done. Just show you guys some of the goodies. I have the strain or the Moser, whatever it is, diff cover, bunch of like Heim joints for my 4-link kit since it didn't come with them. My my coils, some of the 4-link stuff, the brackets, etc., etc. Rear end's back there. But yeah, so this video, I will be going to PFI real quick. About to head out and go over there, stop what I'm doing, and just kind of like be basically a video, hanging out with Wyatt, hanging out over at PFI. He's gonna be getting his car tuned. He got it all together, and he's on his way over right now. Just kind of show my manifold, show fitment, show making some power. Since people, for some reason, people always ask me like, oh, does it flow? And people don't realize that it's 1.5" schedule 10. It's got a really big ID on it, so inner diameter, and it flows. I mean, you make 1,000 horsepower on that manifold, you know. I mean, you're really not limited by power based off the manifold. So just kind of make a video of it on the dyno hangout, whatnot. Small little update. Show you guys. As you guys know, I obviously make turbo manifolds. This is a top mount. See this thing will focus on it. I actually, I did make one for Jeremy's car. I don't know if they got their car ready and they're gonna get it tuned today also, but I know that Wyatt and Kyle and Jeremy were kind of competing with each other to try to see who could get it done first. So let's go head over there, see what's going on over there. What doing?
Working.
Is it leaking something or what the fuck's underneath?
I had to top it off with coolant.
Still getting hot or what? That's the first shot I got, was your ass crack. It's like a fucking film party over here or some shit.
He said yeah, what's that? What? I went over and asked him.
It looks so clean.
It's like, OBD2A.
It's all whacked.
Why don't you leave this open?
Because
It's the same thing if it
same
goes in
deal.
the bottle.
That's
Yeah.
what I did.
What
Yeah,
are you
but
doing?
there's no airflow
Why are
there.
you
It's
filming
just
my film?
It's like going in
I'm filming your
That's
film,
why
bro.
they put a bunch of holes with the
Jeremy, how much power did you just make?
450.
On 8
449.
PSI.
8 pounds.
And how much are you going for?
Right
Less
there.
than that.
Why?
He was going for 400.
Wait, you don't want any more than that?
B20.
No, he's got
What do you mean?
B20 and cheap pistons
The
and
stock
rods.
sleeves.
Yeah, stock sleeves B20.
It'll be alright for like 5 something.
Yeah, try.
Well, even Brent was worried about it.
Really?
Yeah, because the B20 sleeves are weak, he said.
Well, no, I know, but I know people have made
550.
I know,
550
that's
on
what I
them.
said. That's what I saw online, too.
I mean, you just got to be a little easy on them.
As long as the tune's good.
Yeah, AP, that's nothing. Yeah.
But it's good at APS.
Did you get this hose?
Yeah.
But it is on gate, so what it makes is what it makes.
I was gonna say, I think we
There's
have
no
like the
boost
exact
control.
same hose.
Oh, yeah. So it's just making that much on. Dude, that's nuts. That almost seems
that's gate.
crazy. 8 pounds
Yeah,
and
I
it
don't
made
get
that
it.
much.
I
That doesn't
literally
make any
don't-
sense.
I don't get it.
That's better than your
But it's
H.
the pistons. The
It
pistons
is.
are kinda high comp.
What comp do you guys have?
There's a lot of this
11s? 11 something?
Jesus.
Yeah,
That's
they're
not.
high comp.
That's good though. That makes sense though.
But you can't put as much.
Yeah. Well, dude, dude, I'd be curious to see like.
I want to see the
You should ride, dude. When his car's done and your car's done, you should ride in his car and then ride in yours, and dude, just feel the power band of the B20.
Yeah.
Dude, it's real noticeable. It's really noticeable
I
with
can
the.
feel it NA. It's like
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
second gear is beautiful.
You're lucky, dude. This manifold flows a lot better at like your RPM range too.
What do you mean?
Like this manifold that he has is designed for
Oh,
6,000 to 9,000, and mine's like
6,000, 9,000.
or 9,000.
6,000, 9,000 revs. We gonna rev this bitch to 9,000.
It's over 9,000.
It's like tradition. You're Bickle.
Always. There's a freaking gas station right down the road. Why would I?
I fucking bought a Red Bull. I know where the gas station is.
Damn right.
Dude, someone commented on one of my videos like, keep on living that man titty life.
I didn't go down much. Still makes 450.
So it's actually kind of cool. I was going through some parts in my storage that we had, and that short shifter and that shift knob and this little e-brake purple thing is from the CRX. So why it's got some parts from the CRX. Got me all sentimental and shit.
Get a wrench on it.
Get out, dude.
Slow down.
What?
I'm pretty impressed for it being Wyatt.
No, he normally does pretty good.
I feel like he's getting better.
Yeah. Doesn't even sound like it.
Like yours on the first bullet only made sense.
Exactly what 520.
520.
At least still good.
Good? That's all you wanted to make?
520.
I didn't even want to make that much.
You'll be alright.
I wasn't even trying to make that.
Damn, we got thumper.
That low. There you go. That's what you wanted, right?
That's a lot better.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
You got 30 horsepower.
That's good.
Oh god. Hey, he's just testing the eBay turbo. He's just testing the eBay turbo. He's just testing the eBay turbo.
That's not cool. You weren't taking his to the
I would have
dyno.
taken my time and finished it.
Yeah, you would have not had it done yet. I was like, oh, we're taking Jeremy's tomorrow. He's like, I'm gonna be there.
Well, you guys called me on the video. I wasn't gonna let that shit fly.
I didn't call you out. I said like,
Jamie did. I need to get
no,
this shit done.
I told you about it before I posted the video. And you're like, I'll be there.
You were like, well, why? Just needs to get his done now.
Oh yeah.
That's a call out, baby. Oh yes.
This one like just stop.
That looks provocative.
Hey, you got it done though. And she's ripping, dude.
So you happy or what?
I'm fucking stoked.
So made 480-ish.
Yeah, I mean, like,
Obviously can make more,
yeah.
I know, and then
but you didn't want to because of the cast pistons.
What was that PSI was? Not that it matters.
on top.
That's it?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I love
why
when
it
people.
wasn't
I love when
5
people
something.
try
That's
to
so
rate
crazy.
horsepower by resistance
Boost.
in your intake manifold, but
Wait, what?
that's all it is. Boost is resistance.
Why you guys should be all scientific going shit with your lift?
But it's
Pounds per minute is
resistance.
by.
Are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
He's bending his wrist.
Which one are you gonna give up first?
It's because he's bending his wrist, but I ain't gonna let it happen.
I don't know about you, but you both are bending your wrist.
all day, boy.
Yeah, me too.
Man, they're pretty
How about one of
Well, somebody try it at least.
Use my left arm too.
I want to see some. Oh,
Come on. Come on, Amelia. Come on.
oh,
Come on.
boy's pulling through. Oh, he came back. He's back halfing it. He's back halfing it. Oh, oh God.
That wrist is bent.
He got him.
Let's do right now. That's my least dominant hand.
That's pretty good. That's not against dumb.
Hey, we gotta switch. We gotta switch sides. Though.
numb.
Wait, no. How's that gonna work?
That's the same thing. Oh yeah, you got to get right there.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
What's up with that elbow?
What guy doing?
I have to reach for him. I ain't gonna let go of that easy. My arm's all the way over there.
Oh.
Oh, bro, I think.
It ain't gonna happen, boy.
Well, what the fuck am I
doing
supposed to do?
Try, come
I'm
on.
gonna sit here and wait till he gets tired.
Finish him. Come on.
You have to touch the table. No. Bro, Amelia, you're kind of done, dude.
Yeah, Amelia, you got.
I can't even reach, though.
He gave.
I'm all the way over here.
Hey,
You could have pulled him towards you.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
Play as dirty as he's playing.
He's bleeding.
I don't know.
Fuck.
You guys are
Oh, I'm bleeding.
That's what happens.
Hey, it's because you're left-handed and I'm right-handed. I still gave you a run for your money. Oh,
You did. I can't feel both my arms right now.
I can see all the strength of the whole.
All right, race car stuff. All right, so just got done at PFI. Wyatt's car made plenty of power, all the power he wanted it to. Could have made more power. Setup on his car is really simple. It's some cast nip and pistons, scat rods, stock head. It's got all the stock valve train, stock GSR cams. It's an LS block, so non-VTEC block, B18 with a GSR head. Real simple setup. Jeremy's car, which I filmed when I first got there, also was on the dyno. He's running one of my manifolds too. I don't know the exact setup on his car, but it's a B20. But both have my manifolds. Just want to kind of make a video on it, you know, and just kind of show some product that I offer. I'll put a link down below in the description of Wyatt's channels, Kyle's channel, which I probably don't have to, but I might as well. And a link to my Big Cars Tell page where you can order some manifolds. So it's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's pretty fun to go over there and hang out. As always, guys, thanks for watching.